Hi everyone, welcome to MSCR Makes. I'm Miss Julia and today we're going to be making cloud dough. For this project you will need cornstarch, lotion, a bowl, a spoon to mix with, a 1/4 cup measure, measuring spoons, and if you want, you can grab some food coloring too to color your cloud dough. You can pause the video here and go gather your supplies. Now that you've had a chance to gather your supplies, I'm going to move some things out of the way. Here is the recipe I'll be using for my cloud dough. I will need 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of lotion, and if I want, I can put in some food coloring. So first I'll get 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Next, I'll put it in my bowl. Then I'll grab my measuring spoons and my lotion and do 2 tablespoons of lotion. There's 1. There's 2. Now I'll grab my spoon and mix everything just a little bit to get it going. I'm going to add some food coloring to mine, so I'm only going to just start to mix it so it's a little less messy when I put my food coloring in. Do you see how it's starting to clump together? Now I'll choose the color of food coloring that I want to make my cloud dough. I think I would like purple, so I'll go with a little bit of red and a little bit of blue. Now I'll mix everything together. If your cloud dough is too wet and sticky, you can add in some more cornstarch. And if your cloud dough is too dry, then you can add in a little bit more lotion. I think mine might be a little too sticky. See how it's sticking to my finger? I want my cloud dough to have a texture more like Play-Doh, where it does not stick to my finger so much. So I'll go ahead and add in some more cornstarch. At a certain point, when things start to really stick together, it might be easier to use your hands for mixing instead of the spoon, but the spoon is a nice way to start. There we go. Now my cloud dough is the right texture. It's all stuck together and not crumbly and falling apart, but when I touch it, it does not stick to my hands. You can use your cloud dough to make lots of fun different shapes, whatever you'd like. One of the things that I like most about cloud dough and why it's called cloud dough is because it's super soft to touch from the cornstarch and the lotion. Once you're done making a shape, you can squish it back together and make a different shape. What kind of shapes can you create with your cloud dough? If your cloud dough starts to dry out a little bit, you can just add a little bit more lotion to it to make it soft again. To store your cloud dough, just put it in an airtight container for the next time you're ready to play with it. It won't last forever, but you can always make a new batch if your old batch dries out too much. Well, I hope you enjoyed this project, and I hope you enjoy making lots of fun shapes with your cloud dough. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!